Humihingi lang kami ng mga updates sa patuloy pong paghahanda pa rin ng ating provincial government para dito sa series ng mga pagpupulong na may kaugnayan po sa ASEAN 2026 Summit. Ma'am.
Yes. Yes po. Well, the Leader Summit is started tomorrow po. Pero ngayon may event na.
Yes.
Kasi it's already the opening of the International Media Center. So, yun po yung, we're very excited and very ready for it. Yung nga expected kasi there are around 2,000 siguro na international media. Nagsidatingan na since last week. And then, of course, our national and local media. So, yun po yung we're making sure we're ready for that today. And ngayon po may mga simulation exercises po sa Lapu-Lapu City scheduled. So, we're getting ready for that as well. We posted as well advisories kasi may expected na a bit of traffic, a bit of inconvenience po for our commuters, for our travelers. We posted and we're asking for a bit of patience po to the public, especially in the area, sa Lapu-Lapu area po.
Mm-hmm.
So, yun ngayon may tatlong simulation exercises po kasi 8 a.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. po. But apart from that, for the next few days, we're very ready already. On the part of the Cebu Provincial Government, si Governor Pam Bariccuato po kasi yung chairman ng Cebu Organizing Committee, and then we take cue and instructions from the National Organizing Committee, which is the main organizer. So everything is ready po as far as the agencies, the LGUs are concerned, based on the reports that were given to the NOC-COC po.
Okay. You mentioned, Ma'am Angelis, na ang Lapu-Lapu City, kumbaga, yung mga summit activities ay nakafocus dyan, no? Yung mga major meetings magaganap mismo diyan sa Lapu-Lapu City sa province ng Cebu.
Yes po. Si Lapu-Lapu City ang considered na a host city because everything will happen there. The hotels where the leaders and the other delegates are staying are all in Lapu-Lapu. Also, the event halls itself, even the IMC, the International Media Center, it's all in Lapu-Lapu, Mactan, New Town area. Tapos yung airport po natin nasa Lapu-Lapu din. So, they are considered talaga the host city. But the neighboring towns and cities of Lapu-Lapu, namely Mandaue City, Cebu City, and Cordova Town are all ready din po nag-prepare din po talaga just in case, of course, may mga delegates, hindi siguro yung leaders, but in case they want to go explore somewhere after the events. Also, yun din po yung role ng province of Cebu, ng provincial government, in case may mga delegates, may mga guests tayo na gusto pumunta sa mga towns and cities natin in the province of Cebu for tours, to explore. So yun po, we're ready for that.